Everyone is talking. Well, these gurus are talking about how to secure business funding with your LLC up to $50,000. Here's the trap they don't tell you. It is all still tied to your personal credit. Let's take a look, and I will show you why this is wrong.
Credit. So if you have decent personal credit, you literally can open up this business checking account and let them know, yes, I would like to also apply for.
There, you heard it. If you have decent personal credit, they will give you a loan. Now ask yourself, if I have a business, why do I need to use my own personal credit? Well, the answer is simple. You have an LLC, which will still tie you in the business as one. This is not what you want. This is called a incorrectly structuring your business by following the lies of these gurus. I'm going to show you why this is why an LLC ties it up back to you. So go to the IRS website here. We're going to go and apply for an EIN because that's what you need when you are have a LLC and you need to apply for business. You need an EIN. So once you open up the application for the EIN, I'm on the IRS website. It tells you here, a LLC, a limited liability company, is a structure allowed by state statute and is formed by filing articles of organization with the state. Now, what does that mean? That means at the federal level, the IRS does not recognize or treat your entity as an LLC, as a separate entity. What do you mean? Let's go further. I can prove my point. Continue on the IRS website. They show you and they tell you a single member LLC is an LLC with only one member who can be an individual or another organization. Since you are a single member LLC, we must initially classify you as a disregarded entity. This means the LLC is ignored or disregarded for the purposes of filing a federal tax return. So that means it's going to go directly to you, the owner, which means you are still responsible, which means your LLC will be only as good as your credit. Now, you don't think these banking institutions understand and know how you're being taxed by the federal government, which is why they're going to make you personally guarantee that loan before they actually finance your business? However, there is a business structure that does protect you and actually separates you from the actual business. And this is what you want in the beginning. You want a structure that will allow the business to be its own entity. I can show you, and I'm sure right now with the IRS, which structure provides that separation of you from the business. What you got to do first is like, subscribe, and then comment structure, and we'll go to and I'll show you what structure provides that for you.